In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a footer on Squarespace and also how to add, remove, or hide the footer if needed. Whether you're customizing your site layout or trying to get rid of unwanted footer content, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Squarespace homepage. Log in there, then navigate to your website dashboard. This is where you can access all customization tools. To begin editing the footer, use the search bar at the top left and type Custom CSS. This is the section that allows you to go beyond standard settings and fix layout or design issues. Click on the Custom CSS option to open the CSS Editor. If you're wondering how to edit footer in Squarespace, this is the best way to do it. From here, you can add code to reposition the footer, change its style, or even hide it entirely. For those who want to remove or hide the footer in Squarespace, you can paste a simple CSS snippet like #footer_sections display none into the editor. This will hide all footer elements across your site. If your Squarespace footer is not showing correctly or overlapping with other sections, CSS adjustments here can fix that too. Once you've entered the code, make sure to click Save before exiting. This ensures all your customizations are applied. And that's it! You've now learned how to fix a footer on Squarespace, including how to edit, hide, or remove footer elements using the built-in CSS Editor. With this method, you can fully control your site's look and clean up anything that doesn't fit your design. Thanks for watching how to add, remove, or hide a footer on Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and design tricks.